Hi guys, Roo here from Prepare Camping. Today I'm going to clean up and season this cast iron skillet. The process is the same for any cast iron cookware, and even if you buy brand new pre-seasoned pans, you should really do this before using them for cooking. So first of all, with some warm soapy water and a decent abrasive pad, scrub the entire pan all over. And then just rinse the bubbles off afterwards. Then with a cloth or a paper towel, dry it all over, because cast iron is quite porous and you want to remove as much moisture as possible. So to help with that, I'm going to just heat this up on the stove here. You could also put it in the oven if you wanted, but we want all those little porous cavities, like I say, completely empty and dry, because that's where we want to get the oil into. Now, when seasoning pans, some people have like preferences over what oil they use. I mean, I'm just going to use simple vegetable oil. But that's just down to personal choice, really. So whilst it's still a bit warm, I'm just going to rub it in all over the entire surface of the pan, inside, outside, and obviously as well, don't forget to do the handles. Now whilst I'm doing that, you can preheat an oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which I think is about 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And then inside your oven, then if you put a bit of tin foil on top of the middle shelf, it will catch any oil that will drip off the pan as it's seasoning in the oven. And then you just simply put the pan in upside down on the top shelf above that. Then you just simply leave it there for an hour to give it a chance for it to polymerise with the cast iron. So it's like almost like a chemical bond, and these things just get better the more you use them with age, So yeah, that's how you do it. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you like this and you'll give it a like. Look forward to reading your comments, and maybe consider subscribing. Take care, guys.